Hello friends, in today's session we are going to learn some more methods of string class. We will see some concept of a string class. In earlier session I have given you some concept of a string constant pool under heap memory area. Fine. So today I am going to cover more scenarios. So you can see I have taken some examples, like I have taken one string literal. This is called string literal. It will be directly created in string constant pool. I have created two objects of a string class. So you can see this is one another way, like you this way also you can create the object of a string class. And what is the difference? As I have discussed, the difference is that if you are creating via this, because you are using new operator, a new object would be created under heap memory area, and this will be created under string constant pool. So in heap memory area you can create a duplicate object, so it is allowed, but for string constant pool there will be only unique object would be created. So that's why string is also called immutable. Immutable, it means once the object is created it cannot be destroyed by, you can say, JVM or garbage collector. So string constant pool area is non-accessible by garbage collector in Java. So as of now garbage collector is like some advanced concept, but you can consider that if there is any unreferenced object in the memory, so garbage collector is basically taking care of those things, destroying those objects and like releasing the memory area. So if you are creating any object in string constant pool, so that will remain until the system is restarted. Fine. Same is the case of web server. Like web server are being reset once in a month or twice, like once in a 2 month. So destroy those objects which are underlined in string constant pool area. Fine. And apart from this, I am creating two objects over here. You can see via string class object and one via the string literals. So this is one way and this is another way. There are other ways via which you can also create one object, like, and you can pass directly the reference and it will be created. Say that I have created one object str. Now I want to create one more object, so I will use str ing string str3 is equal to new string, and in parenthesis I will just paste the reference and it will create it. So this is also like one way via which you can create string objects. So you can see I have taken two examples of hard coded value what I am passing, and if I have created any previous reference I can also pass, and via this one new object would be created. Now coming to here, like what I have done in line number 22, I have just printed the variables length. You can see variable length, str1 length, str2 length, and I will also print the length of str3 so that you will come to know what is happening. Just copying it, pasting it here and changing the reference variable. See. So how the length function is coming, if you will put dot operator, like a lot of other methods should be there. So you can see over here. Now what I did in line number 26, I just compare the string, like there is one equal method, as I have already told, like equal method is being overridden explicitly for string class. A string is a final class in Java. A string is immutable because in string constant pool, whatever the object once it is created, it cannot be changed. Because it is an interview question, you will have to explain like that. Once the object is being created under a string constant pool, so that cannot be changed. It will remain until your system is on. Even after the program terminates, it will remain under string constant pool area. Fine. So what I am doing, I am comparing str with like hard coded value. I am passing hard coded. This is one way of comparison. You can pass via this, and you can see I have just copied it and pasted it. Like I'm comparing the value stored in str with the value of this. So my result, what would become, we will see it later. And in else I am printing, oh, not equal. Now again what I did, coming to line number 35. Now I am taking str1 with str. So you can see str1 is containing the value. This is Java string demo, and str is containing, this is Java string demo. This is Java string demo. This is Java string demo. So as per my line number 35, when it will compare, it will found it equal. So if it is equal, it's called a comparison. If the comparison comes true, so this part is going to execute, and after that control will move to here. Fine. After line number 38, control will move to line number 45. And if this part is false, so control will directly move to the else part, and this line would be executed. So in this case, you are going to see that it is coming equal. So in this case, this string will be printed on the console, and after that my line control will transfer over here. Now what I am doing, this is one way of comparing the primitive data type. Fine. Basically, it compares the value on the basis of address for a string. So if str1 is equal to str, you can see over here str1 and str both are containing same string. Fine, but they are two separate objects. They are two separate objects. One is present in heap memory area, and this is also present in string constant pool, and this is directly present into string constant pool. But when you are comparing this to this, so this will compare on the basis of address. Fine. So a string constant pool address is not accessible directly. So in this case, you are going to get the result false. So this line of code is going to execute. Again, if you want to compare the string constant pool with any value, so you have to use intern method. So intern will directly go to that location which is present in the string constant pool, and in string constant pool there would be only unique element. So there is no chance that two objects would be present. So unique element is there, so both will refer to the same object. In this case, it is going to print a string equal found. Fine. And now I have just terminated the program. Now I'm going to execute, and you will see the result. Just going to execute. You can see over here. Now I want to show some, you can say, explanation on that part. So due to line number 20, it is coming 24. Due to line number 22, it is coming 24. Due to line number 23, it is coming 11. Due to line number 24, it is coming as 24. You can see. So first time I am printing the value of str. So str, this value is coming 24. I am printing str1. So str1 is the same, so it is also 24. Now I am printing str2. str2, it is coming 11. Now I am printing str3. So str3, what is this? It is created via this object. So it is containing the same object, and now it is also printing the length 24. Now again I will come to the if part. You can see over here if part is there, if else. This part I am highlighted. If str dot equals, this is Java string demo, and what str is containing, you can see this is Java string demo. So if it is comparing, it is saying equals. Fine. Now you can see in line number 35, str1 equals str. Now I am not passing hard coded, I am just passing variables. This is called hard coded value because I have directly written over here, and here I am passing directly via variable. So when you are passing hard coded, you will have to pass it in via double quotes. If you are passing like variables, you can directly give the name of variables. Fine. You can see over here, now with the line number 35, it is comparing, and it is comparing with the same object, so it is coming equals form. If you compare str1 is equal to str, so str is present into the string constant pool and str is present in the heap memory area, so that's why it is coming as not equals form. Due to this line of code 47, I am explaining this one 47. I am just comparing via double equal to operator. So this is like called a comparison operator. Basically primitive data type are being used to compare, and in this time I am going to compare with the address. So it is not mapping, so it is saying that not equal found. Now if I want to compare directly via address, so I have to use intern method, and for intern method it is now it is coming as equals found. So this was like basic comparison for string. Now we will see one more scenario, like already discussed, equal ignore case, equals, two upper, two lower. We will discuss more. Say that my string is having Java. Fine. And I want to compare like whether my string is containing Java or not. So how I am going to get that comparison? So if str dot contains method is there, so you can see contains method, and you can pass the hard coded value which you want to compare, just like Java. So fine. This is very important topic, like it contains method is being widely used, and via this you can compare many things. Like suppose that there is a question in the interview, how will compare that your title of the web page is containing particular string or not? Fine. So via first get the title, and in the title store it somewhere in the string, and after that whatever the value you want to compare, you can directly compare. We can see those examples in the future coming session, but as of now you can see I'm just going to print cshow control space bar. You will get one option menu, and in that you can print manually string string Java found. Else just copying it, not found. If I will run this code, you can see string Java found is coming. Why it is coming? Due to contains method. So contains is one of the most important method. After that we will see some more methods, because like it's very important for interview. Say that I want to get the substring. So take one example. This is Java string demo. So what I'll do, CISO coming, let me come here. CISO str dot substring. So in this we have to pass two variables. Fine. By default we are taking as 0, and like how many strings, number of characters you want. Say that I want 5. So what is coming here? Say this. If I am taking 8, now it is coming this is. So space is also included, you can see over here. So this is also very important. But what will happen if you will change the 0 to any other string? Say that I am taking 5. So starting from the 0 position, and it will consider the count. Now it is what is giving if and one space is coming. So I have given the position like 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Fifth position, and total number of characters how much I have given? 8. So what it will try to fetch, the 8 will start from the first position. 8 will start from the first position, but first like index would be starting from 0 position. This is a conceptual question. It is also being like asked in the interview how substring is going to work. You can see over here. This is the first 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am giving index as 5. So 5 starting is I, but total I have given 8. But 8 will be start from 0. No, first. 8 will be start from the first. You can see first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. So that is why it is coming one more space. You can manipulate if you require. I'm not taking 8 this time, I'm taking 10. So that you can have a better understanding on the same. Now again I am going to execute. First you see what I taken. I taken 5 and now taken 10. So my first 5 would be like from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is starting from I, and how much string I have given? Like 5 string. If you see, like 10 I have given. So 10 starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 space 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So Java is coming 10. So from first position it is coming on 10. So you can see in this way, like you can use substring. Again going to more methods like trim method. Just taking some break, and after that we will reconnect for the same.